Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we are playing a game called Get Stuffed. Oh, mannequins. I don't like mannequins. So this is a free game on Itch.io. As always, it is a Unity indie game. Not sure what to expect. I've seen a couple of screenshots. Some kind of horror game. We'll see what happens with this. It looks kind of nice. So yes, let's play. Yeah, obviously I want to play. I've just pressed play. It is recommended to play with the lights off and your volume up. Is it? Okay. I'm guessing there's some audio jump scares then, because that is probably why it wants you to turn your volume up. So let's see what happens here. Taking a bit to load. Oh, here we go. What? Okay. Oh, okay, it's very sensitive. Very sensitive. I'm not sure if the weird white flicker on the screen is supposed to happen. It's very freaky. Okay, so there's PC, looks like a tablet, phone. What's this? Avoid disappointment by giving up. What? Is that a clue what I should do? Well, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna collect mobile from security office downstairs. Collect mobile what? Does it mean a phone? Does it mean a phone? Okay, well, I'm gonna go through the doors. Looks like they're push doors. Can I push these ones? Yet I'm the problem. I'm the problem. There's no apostrophe. Oh, okay. Okay. Hello. Hey? Is that meant to happen? I don't know. I don't know. In fact, can I go in there? Can I go in? Are you gonna let me in? Open the door. No, don't let me in. Water cooler. Go through here, I guess. Okay, there's a security camera up there. Do you have my mobile phone? My cell phone? Hey! I don't even know. There's a fan there. Ah, okay. Not sure how that's working because it's not even plugged in. There's no socket. There's no outlet anywhere. Freaky. That's freaky. Okay. What have we got here? Can I get in there? I can't. Can I jump? I can, but the jump's a bit... Ooh. Hello. Okay. Can I run? Not massive. Oh, did I just go through that wall? I swear I just went through the wall. Ah, bit glitchy. Okay. Vending machine. I can't buy anything. Alright. Another fan. Isn't plugged in. Okay. It looks weird. I feel... Okay. I'm not sure where to go, I'll be honest. I know it says to go downstairs, but I want to explore a little bit more. What's down here? Just a door. I'm guessing I can't go in there. What about these rooms? Look at that. So, right mouse button looks like it is the... Ooh, where am I? Oh, hello. So, that was a bit weird. Ugh. Okay, can I go? Alright. I'm not sure why there's a mannequin sat on the toilet. Guessing this is the ladies. Am I a lady in this? Or am I a chap? This was the ladies. Where's the gents? Is it this one? It is. There's the... Okay. Not sure I'm comfortable hanging around toilets, so I'm gonna get out of here. Okay. Let's go this way. Downstairs. Well, it does say downstairs, so let's go downstairs. Let's see. Okay. I wish there was some more sound effects. I think that's something I would like. I would like more... Whoa! Hello! Okay. Was that supposed to happen? It just kind of jingled, dude appeared, disappeared. I'm not sure. Security. Oh, okay, security. Nope, nope, let me through the door. No. Right, okay. So it says collect mobile. Okay, I've got it, I'm guessing, because that thing on there disappeared. Hot coffee there. Truncheon. Okay. Why is that counting down super fast? I don't like the way that's counting down. What's this? Okay. Let's get out of here. Electrical equipment staff only. Electrical equipment staff? Okay. Dead end. Okay. It hasn't told me where to go next, so I'm gonna wander. Can't leave without my stuff. Bag should be hanging by the lockers. Collect bag from staff room upstairs. So it's made me come all the way down. The lights on that car just... Why is it doing that? I'm not sure why it's doing that. Okay, I don't think there's anything here, so I might just do exactly what it says and go back upstairs. Stupid door. You mean I've got to go back out the way I came in? Okay. Broken sign. Okay. Up the stairs. Staff room. Okay, so I'm guessing what's down here? Oh, I've been down there, haven't I? I'm guessing I've got to go upstairs again, and I think I've gone a while without some kind of jump scare, so I'm kind of half expecting some kind of jump scare at some point. It is a horror game after all. I will just try not to panic. So that way's blocked off. Can I jump over it? Can I glitch the game out? No, I cannot. Let's go through here. Ah, I recognise that. I recognise that PC, and that, I'm sure I've used that in a tutorial quite recently. There's a drone there, a laptop. So okay, I'm digressing here. Another laptop. I need to collect my bag. I need to collect my bag. Looks like some kind of conference room. Is it more computers? Do they not have screensavers here? Surely it'd be wise to have a screensaver. You'll burn the display. It always seems impossible, and it is. Give up. No, I'll carry on, thank you. Books, pence, okay. Another unplugged fan that's turning. Briefcase, book thing, I don't know. What's this here? Ah. Japanese. Is it? Another water cooler. Is this a staff room? It looks a bit staffy to me. There's air hockey, maybe? Well, it's a bit of an odd staff room, I'll be honest, because this looks like it's from a restaurant. Unless you can sit there, like, you order and... I don't know. More hot coffee. Lockers. I'm guessing that's my bag. Okay, I've got my bag. Soup of the day, only $3.35. Oh, what's this on TV? Whoa! Hang on, you went there a second ago. Neither were they out there. 17 found dead at Glacial Valley. Let me guess. Why would I care? Asks player. Oh, that's clever. Look at the Itch.io link up there. Okay. So this mannequin wasn't here. Neither were they. Alright. It's building up to something. Definitely. Oh. Alright. Alright. Whoa, okay. Okay, I don't like that. Sorry, what? Is the mannequin still in here? It is. Telly's gone off though. Okay. Come on, Jimmy. Be a big boy. Right, mate. Right. How's it going? I'm gonna call you Josh. Let's go this way. Just the emergency lights. No fret. Okay, so I'm guessing I've got to leave, maybe. Okay, they disappeared. The car keys aren't even in this bag, damn it. Forgot Andrews borrowed the car for lunch. Keys must still be in his office. Collect car keys from Mr. Andrews' office. Is that what this is? Where is Mr. Andrews' office? Oh, okay, they just disappeared. They disappeared. He's obviously just trying to freak me out. I don't know where Mr. Andrews' office is. It's getting a bit dark in here. Oh! Oh! Seriously. I don't usually get freaked out. I mean... Okay. Alright, mate. You're not that scary. It can't be this way. Radio. It's got to be this way, hasn't it? Because it's kind of built up those jump scares. So I must be going the right way. Alright, mate. Is this it? Can't really see. What's that on the floor? Okay. I'm struggling to kind of... I know it's trying to do things for dramatic effect, but it's a bit... It's too much dramatic effect, and I can't see. Well, this must be the right way. Surely it's got to be, because there's... Yeah, okay. Is that Mr. Andrews' office? That's not Mr. Andrews, I know that much, but alright. Hello. Yeah, mate. Oh, I can glitch into you. How's that? Hey! Woohoo! What are they doing? Having fun there. There they are. Okay, so I started in Mr. Andrews' office. Fair enough. Get to the car. Okay, so back downstairs. Clearly got to get back downstairs. That's where the car was. Something's gonna... Okay. Something's gonna try and freak me out. That's appeared from nowhere, I'm sure it did. Oh, hello. Yeah, it's not dangerous. Everything's on fire. It's got an axe in its head. Alright, see you in a bit. Oh, they're flashing. And I don't mean because they've got no clothes on. What does it say on that one? That's got purple writing on it. No. It's flashing too much for me to read. Okay. Oh, hello again. Bye. Oh. Hang on, are you the same mannequin that was up there? Hang on. There's no collision on that. Ah. Well, they're still here flashing. How'd you get down there so fast, love? Or whatever you are. Yeah. Oh, they got no collision either. Right. Maybe I'm a mannequin. I don't know. Oh, this was a dead end, wasn't it? Okay. Get to the car, so let's just go to the car. Which car? There was two. What's he doing? Apart from flashing. Alright. Sorry, what? Why'd that happen? Why do you have balloons? What's going on? Huh? Okay. Down. Yeah, alright. Take it easy. Yes, I get the point. Yeah, you're flashing too. Alright. Guess I can't go through there. Okay. I guess I can't go in there. Down the steps again it is. Yep. Okay. It's dark again. Something's going to flash and something's going to appear. You reckon? Not even sure if I'm going... Let's assume I'm still asleep in my office and this is one weird nightmare. Well, it is weird, I will give you that. Bloodstains. Okay. Not this way then. Whoa! Was that it? Surely that can't be it. I'm not sure now. Really not sure. Okay, well, that was Get Stuffed. If that wasn't it, then I think I'll quite happily play that again. In fact, I might do. It's got me curious, I'll be honest. A bit curious as to what it's all about. Definitely got potential. It's nice. Just needs to work a little bit with the bugs, glitches, the collision. Other than that, that was pretty good. Enjoyed that. So yeah, if you liked it, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. I'll leave the link to it in the description below if you want to have a go yourself. So yeah, I'll probably see you around in some more indie game playthroughs. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you around.